How to change your Epic Games display name. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you are easily able to change your display name on Epic Games. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your account, and here is what you need to know first. You need to know what is an Epic Games display name. Your Epic Games display name is the name that appears on your account on the Epic Games launcher and the official forum, Answer Hub, and when you play any of the Epic games on PC, Mac, Nintendo Switch, or mobile. And if you have played on console and you want to create a display name for Epic Games account, you'll need to upgrade your account to full Epic Games account. Now, to change your display name, what you need to do is, first of all, visit your account settings page, and then in the box labeled display name, enter your desired new display name. And here is a short note: if you want to see a lock icon and cannot change a display name, this is likely means that you have changed your display name in the last 2 weeks. So you can check the last name when was the last name changed by hovering the cursor over the eye icon besides the current display name, and you will be able to change the name once the cooldown period ends. So you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then tap on the save changes, and after doing this, your Epic Games display name will be changed. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.